The Spanish Constitution.
The history. 1812 marked the start of Spanish Constitution history.
Generally, Spain has been run in the form of a monarchy.
The dictatorship period of Francisco Franco from 1938 to 1978, Spanish must never fail.
Following the death of the dictator Franco in 1975, Spain's parliament approved the new constitution.
Spain in 1978, Spanish people decided to be regulated by norms of civilized and democratic.
Politicians made a document that says how we should behave between us and other nations.
This document is what we call the Spanish Constitution.
Democracy is the Spanish Constitution is the essential law in which we are government in Spain, and because we live in peaceful democracy.
Spain is a democratic state because it seeks freedom, equality and justice, and anyone can express their ideas without being persecuted.
Also, citizens can choose or representative by voting.
The symbols of the nation, the flag. Carlos III established this flag with its colors and shape in 18th century.
Tell the stories of our nation with its oldest kingdoms and crown.
The anthem. It was established by Carlos III in 18th century too. It was a military march.
Fundamental rights and duties. All are equal before the law without discrimination based on race, sex, religion, language. All children have right to the education, Article 27.
The Spanish state will protect the Spanish citizens to promote the sport, to care the environment, and to protect cultural, artistic, and historical.
The crown. The Spanish state is a parliamentary monarchy, he is the king. The actual king is Juan Carlos III.
The parliament is composed of deputies and senators to represent Spanish people.
The government. The government is composed of the president, vice president, and ministers.
Every year in the public schools, remember the Constitution.
The Constitution's Day is on 6th of December. We make different events and jobs.